Hello, welcome back to iMakePlans. I'm Sharice, and today I'll be unboxing the Twsbi Matcha. And I know this is the second upload this week. There'll probably be more because I did receive another Twsbi last Friday, and I really want to open that one. I don't want to stick it in my box of unopened fountain pens. But this one actually surprised me. The photos on Instagram, completely different than in person. It's more like a frothy, creamy, milky type of matcha color. I can appreciate the color. I don't really like that it's not like the special edition type colors, like with the gold, rose gold trim. I'm not a fan of the red finial on the top. That's my only complaint with this pen. For my ink choice, I'm going with a new bottle that I have, Ferris Wheel Press Sweet Honeydew. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to try it. So even though I'm not a fan of the trim on this pen or the bright red finial, I did get it because it is a part of the breakfast collection and I want to complete the set. The first one was cream, and it's cream colored with rose gold trim and a rose gold nib. The next one, my favorite, is Cafe Bronze. It's a coffee brown color with bronze trim and nib. And the next one is Espresso Bronze, and it's a dark brown color with bronze trim. And I actually like to add the white with rose gold into this collection. It is not a part of the breakfast collection. It just looks really good with these other fountain pens. Now, this Ferris Wheel Press ink, like I said, is a new bottle of ink that I have. I have not swatched it yet. I don't know how light or how dark it is. The box looks like it would match well with the pen. I don't know. But I'm going to add in some music, speed it up a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. So this pen and ink pairing was not a good match. The ink is pretty, but it's not for writing. That whole bottle of Sweet Honeydew, I'm going to have to find some unique ways to use that because writing, it ain't it. But my main goal was to just unbox the pen, and I did that, so I feel accomplished. I can try to find a match for it a little later. I will be going ink shopping again, so if you have any suggestions on what ink to use, please put them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.